Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure the remote's power and the Fire TV connection are ready. Replace batteries with fresh AA cells and check polarity. Weak batteries often cause volume issues. Next, restart the Fire TV to clear temporary glitches. Either use settings My Fire TV Restart or unplug the power for 10 seconds. Once done, put the remote into pairing mode by holding the home button for 10 seconds. Watch for the LED flash, and wait for the on-screen confirmation so you can proceed. Now configure how the remote controls volume. You'll add or reconfigure the remote under Settings, Controllers, and Bluetooth devices, Amazon Fire TV remotes. Select your remote and follow on-screen prompts to set up TV control. The system will try HDMI CC first, then IR if needed. Test volume up and down actions. If the remote uses IR, you must point it at the TV or receiver sensor. If it uses HDMI SEC, make sure HDMI CC is enabled in your TV or AV receiver setting. Finish by testing volume across apps and adjusting TV or receiver audio levels to avoid clipping or low output. Consistent testing ensures the remote mapping works. If volume still fails, try repairing the remote or resetting it by holding back and right for 10 seconds, then re-adding in settings. Make sure HDMI CC is active and double-check IR line of sight. If problems persist, perform a factory restart of the Firestick or contact support. Sometimes a hardware replacement under warranty is the final fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.